नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं आपका होस्ट हीरालाल। वेलकम बैक फ्रेंड्स फॉर द गोवा विजिट। होप यू हैव वॉच्ड माय अदर वीडियोस ऑन गोवा विजिट। So friends, please take care. Goa. The city of Old Goa was founded in 15th century by the Sultanate of Muslim rulers of Bijapur as a port on the banks of the Mandovi River. The village was taken in 1510 by Afonso de Albuquerque, the first Portuguese viceroy, with the help of Privatir Timoza, remaining almost continuously under Portuguese rule until the 20th century. At its peak, it was known by the title Rome of the East, specifically for its splendid and innumerable collection of cathedrals and churches. Panaji or Panjim is the capital of the Indian state of Goa. And the headquarters of North Goa district. It lies on the banks of the Mandovi River estuary in the Idhas de Goa sub-district or say taluka, with a population of nearly 1.5 lakhs in the metropolitan area. Panaji is Goa's largest urban agglomeration. Panjim was built with stepped street and a 7-kilometer long promenade on a planned grid system after the Portuguese relocated the capital from Velha, Goa in the 17th century. It was elevated from a town to a city on 22nd of March 1843, making it the oldest civic institution in Asia. Panjim has terraced hills, concrete buildings with balconies and red tiled roofs, churches, and a riverside promenade. There are avenues lined with gulmohar, acacia, and other trees.
उसके ऊपर से ही जाना पड़ेगा हमको।
वहाँ जाने के लिए
हाँ, चलो इसके लिए। इस्कॉन का एक दुकान जो दिख रहा है उसके पास।
The Barak, Our Lady of the Immaculate Conception Church, is located overlooking the main square known as Praca da Igreja. In the 1540s, Mia Ali, an uncle of one of the Adil Shahs, tried to establish himself as the power center in Bijapur. The biggest blow to his ambition came from his daughter, who renounced Islam and converted to Christianity. Inigo Lopez de Onaz La Loyola, a saint by the Catholic Church, who founded the Society of Jesus in 1540. Missionaries and other religious orders settled in Goa since the 16th century used it as a center for the spread of Catholicism in India. The settlers were initially tolerant to Hinduism and other religions, but from 1560 the spread of Catholicism was reinforced by the arrival of the Inquisition in Goa, much feared in its time. The 16th and 17th centuries were the golden age of Goa, which ran the flourishing trade. In the first 2 centuries of the Portuguese presence, most of the churches and monasteries were erected that still populate the city, earning the admiration of the travelers who passed through Goa. In the 20th century, after several years of hostilities and diplomatic negotiations, Indian troops invaded and annexed Goa, ending centuries of the Portuguese presence. However, the cultural influence continues to this day. It is evident in the religious monuments in Goa, declared as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1986. Let me tell you in brief about few of the important churches in Goa. The Church of Our Lady of the Rosary was built in 1453 and it is the oldest church in Goa which is still standing. Basilica of Bom Jesus is a venerated Catholic site and preserves the remains of Saint Francis Xavier. Goan engineer Julius Simon and the Jesuit Portuguese Domingos Fernandes Basilica of Bom Jesus supervised the construction. Construction began in 1594 and consecrated in May 1605. The Society of Jesus arrived in Goa in 1542 and its most important figure in these early days was Francisco Xavier, considered the apostle of the East for his work in the evangelization of Asia. These monuments reflect the cultural exchange and legacy of the Portuguese, while the architectural forms follow the European canal. The facade of the church is the work of Domingos Fernandes. Bom Jesus is a single nave temple. This is covered by a curved wooden liner and has no side chapel except for two chapels in transepto area. The internal decoration of altars, altar pieces, paintings, and furniture reflect the labor and work of the local artist. This was made possible by the great tradition of Indian artists and sculptors of the Goa region, which made it not necessary to import large scale labor artist work. The greatest treasure in the interior of the church is the transept chapels, where lie the remains of Francisco Xavier in a silver urn finely crafted by local artists since 1655. The main chapel has a golden altar piece dating from 1699 dedicated to the infant Jesus with an image of Ignatius of Loyola, the founder of the order. The Basilica of John Jesus in Goa was ranked in 2009 as one of the seven wonders of the Portuguese origin in the world. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
It is a stone brought from Bombay, made here in Goa into the Kingdom. No, it was done in 16.
Cathedral of Goa. Goa was elevated to the seat of bishopric in 1534 by Pope Paul III. And a towering cathedral church dedicated to Catherine of Alexandria was built in the first decades of colonization. This small church, insufficient to meet the faithful, was rebuilt from 1562 during the administration of Viceroy Dom Francisco Coutinho. The construction was extremely slow and completed in 1631. The church has three naves of equal height, shaped hall church as do other Portuguese cathedrals of the time. Interior decoration stands out the magnificent altar piece of the chancel in gilt. The church naves are vaulted and separated by two rows of pillars